Hello my friends and welcome back to the rabbit hole. Today's video we are going on an adventure. I'm so excited. We haven't done a video like this have we ever really done a video like this? Not really, not so much. This is a very exciting video. We are going to be going to TJ Maxx in today's video. I'm so excited. It has been ages since I went to a TJ Maxx. Well, I went once in the past year. Twice to Sephora. I'm one of those people who has been scared to go anywhere for a whole year. But real quickly, before we go, I've got to reapply my sunscreen. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross All Physical Lightweight Wrinkle Defense SPF 30 that they kindly sent over, and oh my goodness, it is a very good physical sunscreen. So most of you probably know that I do have an allergy to chemical filters. Okay, wait, hold on. I want to make sure that I show you one of my favorite aspects of this. Let me get the stopwatch going, and I'm going to show you how long it takes for the white cast to disappear. Okay, so the white cast with physical sunscreens is kind of the biggest con, I feel, but in a good formula, it is something that should fade away pretty rapidly. Well, maybe not even necessarily rapidly. I'd say most of my favorites take 5 to 10 minutes, and that's what immediately stood out to me the very first time that I applied this one. It actually does disappear very quickly. It also has all of the attributes that I look for in a physical sunscreen or a sunscreen in general. It's 16% zinc, which I do prefer over titanium dioxide, and it also has antioxidant-rich ingredients in it. And we talked a little bit about that in the algae video, but if you pair antioxidants with sunscreen, you kind of have this double action product that helps to fight past signs of aging or any damage to the skin, and then also protects you from the sun going forward. So it's a really smart idea to pair those. As I'm sure you all know, antioxidants neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are found in UVB from the sun. So yeah, you just get a very multi-purpose product. And also, this is fragrance-free. It's quite a list of frees, actually. Cruelty-free, vegan, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and phthalate-free. Okay, I absolutely love this shirt, but as you can probably guess, this over here is kind of a bit of a hassle. Oop, got the sunscreen right on it. It's okay. Please pardon my hair. We're going to be wearing a hat today. I'm a hat person. I'm sure you all have gathered that, so just ignore the hat here for now. I'm actually more surprised that more people aren't into hats. I mean, it protects your scalp, right? Do not forget your ears when you're applying sunscreen. I've seen some pretty gnarly stuff on ears, so you definitely want to make sure that gets protected. How's the white cast? Looks like it's almost gone. How long have I been applying? 3 minutes and 42 seconds. One thing I will say, this is an oil-free sunscreen, but also like all mineral filters, it does have a little bit of that greasy feeling to it. It's not too bad in comparison to other mineral sunscreens. As somebody who primarily wears mineral sunscreens, it's not bad. Let's see if we have any allergy warnings with this. Coconut alkanes, but most people will be able to use coconut alkanes. That's not quite the same as the whole coconut oil. We have lingonberry, that's that antioxidant, one of those antioxidant-rich ingredients. Sea buckthorn, a fantastic source of antioxidants and vitamin C. Gluconolactone towards the end of the ingredients list. Yeah, honestly, this really looks like a very non-irritating formula. I know they do say that this is great for acne-prone skin, which is good to hear because my skin has been a little more on the acne-prone side lately than it was for a while. If you're interested in this, I do have a 20% off affiliate code with Dr. Dennis Gross. It is Alice20, and it is good through, I'll have that on the screen. And just in case you're curious about what else is on my face, it's really not a lot, but my Revlon The Big Bang palette, which I posted about on Instagram, and then also the So Fierce Chrome Ink eyeliner. I do like the black one a lot more than the bronze version here. It's a lot better. This one I had to draw on quite a few times, so I don't know if I'd necessarily recommend that, but these are really fun for a super quick look. Okay, we've got to go shopping. Let's go do it. Alright, so they really draw you in immediately with the skincare fridges, don't they? $40 for Vanity Planet and then one by Danielle Creations. That is really a good price. I think I got mine for $30. It was a good price though. Then I found some sponges from e.l.f. Only one of these left behind. $5 for all 3 of them. Amazing deal. Those are some of the best sponges by far. This was cute. I couldn't find a price on it though, but I've been kind of eyeing one of these hair towels for helping you to dry your hair faster. I don't know if that's going to be as good as the Acne brand, but maybe. And then we have some other odds and ends. I guess this is the personal care section, some little face scrubbies there. The coconut lip masks, oh my goodness, I do not recommend these. I've used these. I don't think they do anything more than a basic lip balm does. You just look kind of goofy wearing them, so I do not recommend those. I found some of those towelette holders and Q-tip holders. Those are cute. And also some of the toothpaste brands that I've seen at Ulta, that Hello brand. I haven't tried it yet, but I have seen it. Then I found this Foreo dupe, which was such a find. Look at that. It looks very similar, but $10? Are you kidding me? And it does have the sonic vibrations, so that's amazing. And then I actually found a Foreo, the little rechargeable one, that was $30 there. More of the personal care section here. Moving into skincare, finally. So I saw some odds and ends around. I don't know if I recommend the clearance items though. I do worry they're old. All right, finally actually in the skincare section. So something I really wanted to show you, because you all have asked me about this, is how do you know if your product is fresh? So I go to the website checkfresh.com, and then on the bottom of any box you will find a batch code. So then you type that into CheckFresh, make sure you have the right brand, and it will pop up with the date. So you can see that this one right here was actually manufactured in November of 2020, and it's good for roughly 3 years after that manufacturing date. So yeah, it's fresh. Check out this brand called Retinol. Their name is literally retinol. What do you expect them to have in their ingredients? Well, don't get too excited because it's retin YL palmitate. They don't actually use any retinol in any of their products. I did start to find some really good products though. This right here was a body serum from Josie Moran. That was their whipped face lotion in the vanilla bean scent. 15 bucks and 10 for the body serum. Let me give you another tip for shopping at TJ Maxx. Whatever the price tag says the previous price was, do not believe that. I looked up this body serum and it was $44 on the QVC website, even though TJ Maxx thought it was $13 originally. So over 75% off for that, and really great ingredients. Not a fragrance-free product by any means, but for a body serum, that really drew me in. I wanted to draw your attention to some of these lesser known brands because I actually think there's some real winners at TJ Maxx. This right here, this Azure brand, I looked at their ingredients list. There's no added fragrance. The ingredients lists are really straightforward and going to be very hydrating too. This particular product, the eye serum, it contains collagen, which is a great humectant. It's rich in hydroxyethylurea, which is also a great humectant, and of course is based in hemp. So that one looked really good, even though I've never heard anything about the brand, and $6. Here's a set of Dr. Jart masks, and what's so nice about finding Korean products is you always get an expiration date. I want to talk a little more about this Azure brand because I'm really blown away with their ingredients lists. So Azure, this one is the Hemp and Retinol Nourishing Sleep Mask. It is $5.99. Look at these ingredients. Hydrogenated hemp seed oil is the second ingredient. We've got cucumber, we've got retinol, collagen, niacinamide, no added fragrance, none. This looks like it would really be something that a lot of people would enjoy. And then also their day moisturizer, same thing. This looks great also. And look at this. We get an expiration date clearly printed on all of these. I mean, these look like great budget finds that I've never even heard of before. Really blown away by those. Now check this one out. This is the Claire brand Collagen Anti-Aging Facial Serum. This looks nice also. The only catch with this one is it is not fragrance free, but if you look at the ingredients list, it's very focused in, rich in aloe, hydroxyethylurea, beta-glucan, niacinamide, panthenol, hyaluronic acid. Just again, note that aroma word because that's another way of saying fragrance on the label. Obviously, that doesn't bother everybody. Now check this one out. So this says it is an avocado and argan eye cream. $2.99. Now, with this one, I feel like it may not appeal to everybody just because it is high in mineral oil, but mineral oil actually is a great ingredient, non-comedogenic. It contains your avocado. It does contain some fragrance, but I don't know. I just feel like it might be a dupe for the Kiehl's Avocado Eye Cream, and $3. Y'all, this is one of the funniest finds. This is the Maxx Be Gone Facial Serum. Please show this to anybody who thinks that TJ Maxx only carries old products. No way this is older than a year old. I'm just saying. Oh my gosh, I squealed when I saw this in the store. Look at this, $13. The Kopari CBD Balm. Are you kidding me? I felt so lucky to find that. And to my shock, they actually do have Primera at TJ Maxx. This right here is the mini size of the gel moisturizer, $6. Cannot believe that. And I did brave the clearance section, which was really not quite worth looking at. Did find the KVD Portrait Foundation, but it looked like every 12-year-old had opened that and played with it. You know how the clearance section goes. Yeah, just a miss overall. The makeup section was all right, mostly drugstore. I feel like that's usually how my own TJ Maxx is. I don't know if people have better selections elsewhere. I did find a little bit of prestige. I found this Milk CBD body oil, which looked really interesting. And in complete truth, if I hadn't found the Kopari, I probably would have gone for that Milk one. I also wanted to point out this Honest Beauty Balm. I do like that. It's a really great way to touch up for people who wear mostly skincare. Here is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation, which has been on sale for quite some time. I don't think that did as well as we all expected it to. And then I found some MAC Glow Play blushes. Could not believe it. Small selection, though. You want to see what I got, don't you? There was no way I was leaving the store without the Kopari CBD Recovery Balm. I cannot believe this was $13. I think this is discontinued, and I'm so bummed about it because this was such a great product. It's not really a skincare product per se. It's great for sore muscles, sore knees, that kind of thing, but I love this so much. To think that this is quite possibly the last time I'll get this is very sad. I had to try this. I absolutely had to try the Clinical Works Avocado and Argan Eye Cream. $3. Looks like a dupe for the Kiehl's, so I will update you on this. A snack because shopping makes me hungry. And then I absolutely had to get this. This looks so stinking nice. I know I rated Josie Maran as not one of my favorite brands, but look at this. It's even beautiful packaging. I hope I love this. Oh my gosh, it even smells good. This was the, what was this one called? Winter Gardenia. Okay, this just disappeared into my skin. This might be my favorite find. No, the Kopari was good. I'm sad I had to put the MAC blush back because it had been swatched and just, no, not in these times, no thank you, but I'm pretty happy with my haul. My sunscreen held up wonderfully. It actually, I said initially it was a little greasy, but it does seem to not feel greasy through the day. So overall, I'm very pleased. I feel like we had quite the hits today. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoy this type of video, and I will do more of these. You all let me know. Let me know if your TJ Maxx is better. This is something I've said for ages, and maybe you got to see it in this video, but mine is not necessarily the absolute best out there. But anyway, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time.